Processed foods can pose several dangers to the health of children and adults. Here are 7 key concerns associated with consumption of processed foods. Number 1, poor nutritional value. Most processed foods are high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium, while lacking essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 2, increased risk of obesity. Processed foods are often calorie dense, but nutrient poor. This means that they provide a lot of calories without offering significant nutritional value. This can contribute to excessive calorie intake, leading to weight gain and increased risk of childhood obesity. Number 3, development of unhealthy eating habits. Processed foods are typically engineered to be highly palatable, often containing artificial flavors, colors, and additives. Regular consumption of these foods can train your taste preferences to favor unhealthy, highly processed options, making it harder, particularly for children, to develop a preference for whole, nutritious foods. Number 4, increased risk of chronic diseases. The high levels of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium in processed foods can increase the risk of developing chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, hypertension, even in children. Number 5, negative impact on cognitive function. Research suggests that a diet high in processed foods and added sugars may negatively affect cognitive function, memory, and attention span in children. It can also impact mood and increase the risk of mental health issues. Number 6, food additives and preservatives. Processed foods often contain various artificial additives and preservatives to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. Some of these additives have been linked to allergic reaction, hyperactivity, and other adverse effects in sensitive individuals. Number 7, displacement of nutrient-dense foods. Regular consumption of processed foods can lead to a displacement of healthier whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This can further contribute to inadequate nutrient intake and overall poor quality diet. To promote healthier eating habits and reduce many risk factors associated with processed foods, it's important to prioritize a balanced diet that includes whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Encouraging home-cooked meals, limiting your intake of processed snacks and sugary beverages, and promoting a variety of nutrient-rich foods can all contribute to a better overall health in adults as well as children. If you'd like professional guidance to make such positive changes in your eating habits and overall lifestyle, my experienced team and I are here to help. You can learn more and get started by visiting our website at healthymeweightloss.com.